All right, I'm going to go over how to install your theme. So right now I just have the default theme installed and no content. So let's go ahead and just dive right into our dashboard, and we're going to go under theme, Appearance and Themes. From there we're going to add a new theme, and then we're going to click on Upload Theme, and then we're going to browse to look for the files. So once you browse for the files, all you need to do is look for this file, triven-wordpress.zip, and if you download the files from ThemeForest, you unzip them. These are the two folders and the theme. So it should be pretty easy. It should be about 2 megabytes, pretty small file size. Go ahead and select that, click Open, and install. Once we install, we'll click Activate. And then once you've clicked Activate, you'll get this note at the top of all pages. And it's just saying, hey, there's a bunch of plugins that this theme recommends. So you can just go ahead and install those by clicking Begin Installing Plugins. They'll also be listed under Appearance and Install Plugins. So you can just hover over each one and install them, or you can just select them by bulk and install. So we'll apply that, and it'll take some time. It depends on your server speed. One thing to note is we do recommend installing all these plugins. They'll help with throughout the theme, and one thing that's nice is you can always remove them afterwards. So if you find you don't really need our shortcode plugin, or you don't use our contact form, you can always just deactivate and remove them. But definitely recommend installing them all at the same time. So once you've installed them, you'll need to also activate them. And again, you can hover and activate them, or bulk select them and select Activate. So we'll apply that, and it says everything was set up, and now you've installed your theme. You will get a message up here that you can just close. It actually tells you that if it's with the theme, just ignore this. But now you have the theme installed, so we can view our site, and you'll see it doesn't quite look like the theme yet. You'll need to add in all of your content, your menus, all that kind of stuff. The documentation will cover that. If you want demo content, check out the documentation under the heading importing or installing live preview content, and we'll cover how to install everything so you can get all the menus and content and everything set up. So if you want that, just check out the documentation under that section and install the data. Otherwise, you can just start adding in content as you need.